To make an online payment, log into the Resident Member portal and select Make a Payment from the available options. To pay by credit card, click the credit card option. In the Confirm Payment Details window, input the amount you wish to pay and the billing address associated with the account into the fields provided. Enter your credit card information in the fields provided in the Payment Details section and click Continue. The following window gives you the opportunity to confirm payment details. Click the Pay button to complete the transaction. The payment successful will open showing an authorization code, transaction ID, and the amount paid. Click Close to return to the main screen. For added convenience, an autopay feature is also available. To set up autopay, click the Sign Up for Autopay on the main screen. Click the Get Started button, then fill in the start date and your banking details in the fields provided. Click the camera icon to upload an image of a voided paper check from your device. Click Save, then agree to the terms and conditions of the autopay agreement to complete the setup. To view your account balance and print receipts, scroll down to the View Rent Receipts section in the Personal Information area of the home screen and click View Receipts. Use the links below to view additional features available in the Boardwalk Resident Member portal powered by Yuhu.